Hello everyone, welcome to Mindful Parenting Circle. I am your host Kashish Sandhu and a parenting coach for mother. Today I want to talk about something very close to every parent's heart. The struggle our children go through as they grow. The role we play in those difficult moments. So just have a cup of tea, sit and listen all these things till end. I know that it will change your thought process about how we can handle our children from the beginning to teen. Remember, when our kids are small, it feels easier to fix everything. Just give a hug, a bandage, a toy, or even a little distraction, and the fear will go away. Tears fade away. But as they grow older, life becomes more complex, and their pain often feel bigger than us. They show more tantrum. They use their brain how to handle the situation. Maybe it depends upon how parents has handled the situations in the beginning of their life. This is very important that in early age we help our children to tell them how to handle the situation and how to tackle different situations by just letting them handle and be their guide towards a side and watching from far how they are handling, and if they are not able to handle, then get into the situation. So as children enter their teenage, they face storm we cannot simply fix. It is very difficult, like stress from school and studies, broken friendship, peer pressure, and need to fit in the society, bullying from both online and offline, maybe in the school, question about their identity, self-worth, question about their appearance, their body language, or maybe their color or their body structure, body shaming they are maybe feeling. These challenges go much deeper than scrap knees. And as a parent, it can leave us feeling helpless that how to help our children. We wish we could solve it all. We can make our children life so easy. Our child should not feel something bad. But sometimes these storms are not in our hand. We cannot solve it. Here is the truth that our kids don't always need to fix everything. What they really need is our presence, our patience, and our steady love for them. That in any situation, if I'll come to my parents, they will not judge me and they will give me some solutions after listening. So you have to listen to your child very carefully before finding out any solution for them. Think about it. Storm in life will always come and go. But what always stay with our children is their memory that we stood beside them whenever they need us. That we held the umbrella even the rain didn't stop. It is not about solving every problem, making their life easy. It's about being their safe space, their place where they can go and they think that I can blah blah anything to my parents and they will listen to me without any judgment. So, how can we as a parent support our children without fixing everything? Let me tell you few simple things or few simple ways which you can do in daily life and most of us are doing unknowingly. So I'll tell you six simple way how you can help your child to do that. You have to listen more your child. Before advising anything, just listen to your child. When your child share their struggle, resist the urge to jump into the solution. We as a parents, what we do? Acha, aisa hua? Okay, I'll do this, I'll do that. You can do this, you can do that. We start giving solutions on the basis of our experience. Instead of that, you see that I hear her, matlab, I'm hearing you. That must be really hard what you felt or what you are going through. This build a trust between you and your child. It shows empathy that you are listening to your child. Second thing, you have to validate their feeling. You should not dismiss their feeling. Whatever they are feeling, everything is important. It is not big, it is not small, it is not tantrum or something. You just listen to them, acknowledge their feeling. In this way, they understand that how to name the emotions. Sometimes we suppress their feeling by saying, you are showing tantrum, you are always crying, you are doing like that. And they will learn how to suppress their feeling later when they go for job, maybe in the college or maybe in the office, or maybe when they get into some relationship, get married. They always suppress their feeling, they always keep other on the priority. It is not good, because your life, your first priority is your happiness. If you're not helping your child to understand the emotions, then he is lacking somewhere, and it will not give him happiness in his life. Somehow, somewhere, he will feel empty. Instead of that, you can say that I can see it is hurting you or it is so bad. Validate their feeling, understand them, and help them how to give the name to the emotions. Third thing you can do, always whenever you are talking to your child, ask open-ended questions. I'll tell you the recent incident. My child went for a trip. I asked, after sitting in the car, I went to pick him up, and we sat in the car, and I asked, how was your trip? He said, it was nice. And he stopped talking. I thought, no, maybe I have not asked the right question. I asked, so what did you do? I saw some drops were there, because the pictures they used to send in the group now. Then he started speaking. For next 5 to 10 minutes, he was speaking. What happens, what they did, what they ate, and what other children did. So much. So it is very important, dear parents. Maybe one question you asked that is not appropriate. Ask another question. Don't feel that my child is just giving a okay, yes, no answer. Just change your question. You have to be creative enough to communicate with your child. So at that point of time, I realized that, and I told my husband, see, I was thinking maybe he is also going to that side, but I was wrong, because I was not only asking the right kind of question. Fourth important thing you have to do, that sometime they just need to know you are there. So be present, be steady. Sit with them, go for a walk, simply share your quality time with them. Your calm presence become their anchor. Fifth important thing you have to do, whatever you want in your child, just do it. Model resilience, share your own story, overcome challenges, not as a lecture, but just setting some small example. This shows that storm do pass. Mistakes happen, but we can correct them. Challenges come, but we can overcome them. Sixth important thing, you have to seek help when needed. Sometime every child is not same. Some children are little calm, some children are angry, some children are maybe showing tantrum so much. But all children you can mold them. And if you are struggling, don't feel shame to take any help. Maybe some counselor, maybe some motivational speaker, maybe some parenting coach, because we as a parenting coach are dealing with so many childrens, dealing with so many parents, and getting so much information that what is happening in what's life. So maybe I am not saying that we will give 100% solution, but maybe we are able to help. Most importantly, you can join some community where parents are discussing their struggles while handling their children. So, dear parents, next time your child faces a storm, Remember that you don't always have to fix it. Instead, stand by them, listen with your heart, and show them that they are not alone. Because storms are temporary, but the love, security, and connection what we offer to our children will last lifelong. So let's raise the teen who feel anchored in love, who know that even in the darkest moment, they are not alone. Thank you so much for watching, listening. If you like this message, touches to your heart, please like, share, and subscribe. This is Kashi Sandhu, your parenting coach, mother of two beautiful children, and struggling like you also. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Good luck. Love you all.